it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm here to introduce you our brand new primer, Oil Sucker. One size beauty. Oil Sucker. I am so excited, you guys, because this one is for the oily girls. This is the packaging right here. It comes with little instructions on the inside. You guys are not ready for this one. If you guys haven't seen on TikTok already, this is going viral. It is so extremely mattifying and oil sucking. The official name is Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. This is the box. It is white, it is red, so everything is legible, because there is a lot of information that you guys need to get into it. There is a very strong learning curve about this type of a primer. I have never seen anything like it. Like, if you look at the before and after, it's going from oil grease ball to like super mattifying. Check out this video from my friend Nima.
I am looking so shiny. I just got back from a hair appointment. Y'all see my forehead? I literally feel like I could summon another galaxy with my forehead. I did my skincare this morning at like 10 a.m. Yesterday when I was opening up PR packages, I got this packet from One Size. It is their Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. And I saw how my forehead was looking after my hair appointment. It reminded me of the packaging on the back. Look at Patrick. But yeah, let's test it out. Let's see if it works. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's try it on one half of the face. Your girl loves to experiment. I love trying new things. Even though I do typically like my skin not to be matte, I like my skin a little bit glowy or more on the glowy side. I love trying out new stuff. Okay, this is crazy. I am actually shook. My skin matte just looks weird, but the product clearly works. Whoa! Not sponsored, by the way. I just love experimenting, and this just seemed like something cool to try.
Okay, there is a lot of science behind this, and as you can see, you cannot put too much. I'm gonna get into the instructions on how to use it in a little bit, but guys, this is such a special product to me because it literally sucks the oil. You guys are probably wondering, what is the damn difference between this and this? Wait, first of all, let me take it out of the box. Look at these. These are like the same, but this is giving oil sucking and this is giving sweat absorption. It really depends on you and your skin type. There are some people that are more sweaty. In the hot months, we launched this last year, and when I'm telling you, it went so viral. This one really is so good for that sweat. And you guys know I wear like these latex sweaty outfits, and I get really sweaty around here, so I'll apply this for the sweat. But for me, because of my skin type, I get really oily in the T-zone, and when I tell you this really sucks the oil, you feel it tightening your pores. So I think it's just really cool that peers of mine, friends of mine, even other people on the internet and on TikTok and social media are trying it, and they're really feeling it tighten the pores. Let me get into some of the ingredients. The alkaline pH is so good in this because it helps reduce the excess oil on the skin surface, and it rebalances to mattify the oil. There is 15% mineral silicate complex, which helps lift, smooth, and tighten the look of the skin and also your pores. I am obsessed that there is Korean red ginseng, which helps revitalize the look of the skin. And there's also caffeine, which helps smooth the look of pores. Who doesn't love caffeine? And there's also cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which helps maintain hydration levels with super small particles that really help for a higher absorption rate than others to prevent over drying. When I tell you I have the most amazing product development team, they first looked at me a little bit crazy, like, why do you want an oil sucking primer? And when I went to esthetician school, throwback, if you don't know, I am a licensed esthetician, where sweat comes from and where oil comes from are two different places. Sudiferous glands is where the sweat comes from, and sebaceous glands is where the oil comes from. Oil is more fatty in nature, and sweat is more watery. So I think just thinking about that, I really thought about how does our anatomy apply to the way I can accommodate creating products that really work with different skin types. And I cannot tell and prescribe to you guys out there who is what. That's why I wanted to create products that really make you think of what you need for yourself. You know, it really depends on the year. There could be environmental factors. Do you live in a hotter climate? Is your diet a little bit more different? Do you eat more oily foods? And that's gonna really depend on how your body and your skin reacts, because your skin is the largest organ in your body and it's constantly defending your organs and protecting you from environmental factors and stressors everywhere. When I really thought about what it meant to be a licensed esthetician and being a skin therapist, not a dermatologist, but a licensed esthetician, it really allowed me to feel confident in what I was talking about to the product development team. And I'm very proud of how they were able to understand me and interpret what I wanted to have something specifically for oil. It's totally gonna be up to you guys and your skin type, and also the way you love doing your makeup to get the desired look that you want. You know me, I'm plus size, I'm oilier, so I prefer that matte look. You guys know, if you guys are plus size or you guys sweat throughout the day, probably like within the hour or two, I'm gonna get the most perfect natural skin sheen glow, because that's how my makeup is gonna wear on my skin. You guys know me for years, I tend to bake a lot of powder. So I feel like without just relying on powder and mattifying foundations, we really have to think of what is going on top of the skin, but also to prevent breakouts from overloading on the makeup. And ever since being a licensed esthetician, I'm telling you, our primers are so gorgeous and amazing for any types of skin. You guys know earlier this year, we launched Secure the Glow. I'm obsessed with Secure the Glow for the dry skin. If you want that blurring type of look, you guys know, Secure the Blur. There's niacinamide, there's witch hazel, there's microspheres that blur the skin. And speaking of, y'all can wear both of these together, okay? I know with Secure the Sweat, it was a little bit of a learning curve. This one also has a little bit of a learning curve. But before I get too far in depth of how to use and combinations and spot treating with the primers for your makeup, I wanna talk about how to use oil sucker. Also, when you open the box, there is a set of a little pamphlet in here on how to use it, and I'm gonna read it out loud so there's no misinterpretations of how to use oil sucker. Step 1, shake it really well. Step 2, you're gonna apply a thin, even layer on completely dry skin. Now, if you're one of those people that loves to lather skin care all over your face, you can take a tissue and just pat it a little bit dry, or just wait for it to absorb in your skin. That way you're not having the primer assume your skincare to be oil, because it will absorb your skincare, not your oil. And with that being said, apply to oily areas only. If you apply it to a spot on your skin that's a little bit more normal or dry, it's gonna start to crumble and peel, so you wanna use a very thin layer. Step 4, this is the big one, the biggest learning curve. Allow the product to dry for 3 minutes while remaining expressionless. This is like the most perfect time to do your eye makeup or do your brows, do anything except the face, and next thing you know, 3 minutes have gone by. And last but not least, if you guys over apply, or if you guys see any white spots or white areas, tap it with a damp fingertip. You can use a dewy setting spray, a little bit of water, maybe like a damp beauty blender just to pat the white away. You don't have to. I want its full potency and effect for my primer, for my skin. You can definitely use foundation, and right here I apply a little bit of foundation, and it's not mixing in to tint your foundation any lighter. And I just want to disclaim that before anybody gets confused. And there's also a little pro tip here, and I want to say it on camera for those that need to hear it, that should hear it. And it's a Patrick pro tip. The primer is powerful, so a little goes a long way. If you experience excess product that doesn't dry down, splash your face with cool water and tap the skin with fingertips to remove any residual product, or massage a bit of moisturizer onto the residual. I know my oily girls and boys and everyone is going to love oil sucker for those that are oily. Now, I saw this other TikTok that was really funny that mentioned dry skinned people. Now, if you are dry skinned, this is not for you. I highly recommend other products like Secure the Glow or Secure the Sweat if you happen to be more sweaty. But again, sweat and oil are very different. So if you are trying oil sucker, be sure to pair it with the best type of foundation. Don't feel aggravated if it's not working, because maybe your foundation happens to be a beauty balm or a CC cream with sunscreen. It works the best with more soft matte to matte foundations. If you know, you know. You don't want to disrupt or counteract the effects of the primer. Just thinking about that. Or you could even use the foundation that you truly love and pair it with your favorite setting powder, probably, hopefully, the ultimate setting powder by One Size. And if you guys don't know out there, One Size is that brand that's gonna have your makeup in place, has your makeup last for 14 hours in the day. We have until dawn, so your makeup can last in water, when you're swimming, overnight. And we have these long wearing products because I believe in a full beat. And you guys know I've been on YouTube now for 11 years. I love full glam, I love full beat. We are in our full beat era and it is not going anywhere and we're here to stay. So I hope you guys are able to get your hands on any of our primers. But if you guys are wanting this, if you're even a makeup artist for your kit, definitely snatch the new Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. It's gonna be available in Sephora, TikTok Shop, and onesizebeauty.com. Stay tuned for more to come. If you guys haven't tried any products from One Size, it takes one. This could be the one for you. If you guys wanna follow us on how to use it, feel free to message us on One Size on Instagram or on TikTok. Be sure to follow me at PatrickStarrr on all social media. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.